Good morning, everyone. Good morning to our channel. Please subscribe our channel if you are new in the channel. So today's our topic is how to speak in English in just 30 days. How to speak English in 30 days. So how you can speak in English in 30 days? Today I will tell you about that. English everyone can speak, everyone can listen, and everyone can understand. But the main thing is your basics should be clear. What is the basics? That you should know about the English, that how English is all about sense. English is a language in which the sentence are made for the sense. Like if you want to speak someone that what is your name, so you can ask what is your name. Okay, so the other person will reply that what is his name. So you can start. English is a global language, we everyone know that. In every country wherever you go, you can speak in English and you can communicate in English. In some countries there other other languages also, like if you go in the Germany, so you will find the German language. If you will go in the France, you will find the French language. So these type of regional languages also there. If you go in the Canada also, so there is a two regional languages are there. One is English and one is French. But in the United States or in the UK or in Australia, there are the English is a known to be a language of for a country, where it means that in a whole country just one language, that is English. If I will talk about the English, so English is a very easy language, but you have to clear your basics first. The basic thing what you can do to improve your English is a reading. Reading is a must do activity for every day if you want to really speak in English, if you want to make your score good in English. So reading is really very important for every day. So at least 45 to 50 minutes or 1 hour you should read every day. So that, and and also while reading you can also record your voice. You can make your voice a little bit louder, so you can record your voice and check your pronunciation or can listen your voice. Some people also say that you should speak in front of the mirror. This is also a great idea which you can opt also. So speak in front of the mirror, it will also improve your confidence. But you have to try with the people, not with the object. You should also try to speak in English with the people. If you are like talking in English, if the someone know and someone understand the English, you should try. You should not speak in English with someone who doesn't know about the English and who is like illiterate or who doesn't understand the English. So try to speak English with those people, those who can understand English. Like if you are in a college, so try to speak in English with your friends. If you are in a company or in a corporate sector, try to speak in English with your colleagues. Or like if you are traveling in a foreign country, so you can also try to speak in English or in the regional languages. But today I will like to tell you that the 30 days exercise is a must do activity that you can make your English better. Is the first thing that you can do for every day is a English reading newspaper. So you should try to read every day English newspaper and record your own voice to check your pronunciation. And if you find anything difficult about your pronunciation, so you can check on the Google also what is the correct pronunciation of that word. So you can hear the correct pronunciation and make your pronunciation better after hearing the correct pronunciation on the Google. So the first thing is reading. And like some people also like to write also. You can write, but it doesn't help in speaking. So you should try to do a reading and recording your own voice. And you can also hear the English newspaper, so you can understand the English, that how the people, how the type of expert, those who are giving the news in the English, so you can understand English better and try to speak with the people, so your confidence also grow. But for before that you should also make yourself comfortable with the vocabulary. Try to understand and try to learn at least 100 to 200 new words every day. How to find the new words? So the basic thing is newspaper. In a newspaper, every newspaper, there is an editorial page where you will find the most advanced words. So you can, if you find a 50 to 60 words every day, so you should learn those words and you can make your vocabulary better. It will also give you the great confidence also. Your confidence will be also improve and your vocabulary power will also improve. So this really help you in a communication also, and it will also give a great impression in front of the others, like if you are speaking English particular with the most advanced words. So this type of exercise you should do every day to make your English better. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, so please subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you so much. Thanks for today.